consonant RR. So the Spanish RR is a vibrating or trilling sound. The single R also pronounced this way when it is the first letter of a word. So let's start with the exercises.
Listen and repeat. Try to trill the double R in each word.
Perro.
Dog. Alright, so obviously this is going to be quite challenging, right? For people who are not accustomed to pronouncing or pronouncing this particular consonant. So this is basically trilling the RR sound. So I guess we have to like hear it a few times.
Perro. Perro. Perro.
It's r. So I think the sound that we make is, so you have to make sure that your tongue touches the roof of your mouth, and that's when you try making that sound. I think it should be somewhat like, let's try to hear it again.
Perro.
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 Perro. I think it's too much.
Perro.
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 Carro. Carro.
Carro.
Carro.
Carro.
Carro.
Carro.
Carro.
This probably didn't involve too much of that vibration. I don't know if just me, but let's say
Zorro.
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 Cerro.
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 Cerro. Hill.
Aburrido. Aburrido.
Aburrido.
Aburrido.
Aburrido, which means bored. So the key would be to make that vibration sound, especially while pronouncing the RR sound, right, when it appears in the word. So in this case, things should be aburrido, aburrido.
Aburrido.
Right.
Arriba.
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 Arriba. Okay.
These words each have both the R and the double R sounds.
Interesting.
Listen and repeat.
All right.
Raro.
All right. The first R in the word seems to be kind of normal, if you will, and the second R seems to be more of that vibration. But let's say again. Let's look at it again.
Raro. Raro. Raro.
I don't know if you hear this, but I think you hear that vibration on the second R. So it's more like, instead of raro, it is more like raro, raro, raro.
Raro. Raro. Raro.
Again, you probably have to listen to it multiple times in order to see, like how exactly it's pronounced.
Raro.
Raro, raro, raro. I don't know, it seems to...
Raro. Raro.
Raro.
Romper.
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 To break.
Carrera.
carrera,
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 correr,
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 cerrar,
cerrar,
cerrar, carretera, carretera,
carretera, carretera.
Notice how the meanings change depending upon the sound.
Okay.
pero,
Pero,
perro,
perro. Again, that's too much. Perro,
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 perro. So, pero is with one R is the meaning is but, and with two R's it's a dog. So obviously the meanings change. Pero, which is but, and perro, 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 arro, perro,
perro,
perro, perro is dog.
caro,
Caro, which is expensive. This seems to be the normal kind of R.
carro,
Carro is car.
cero,
Cero, zero.
cerro,
Cerro, hill.
Again, listen and repeat.
perro,
Perro,
carro,
carro,
zorro,
zorro,
cerro, cerro,
cerro,
aburrido,
aburrido,
arriba,
arriba,
raro,
raro,
romper,
romper,
carrera,
carrera,
correr,
correr,
cerrar,
cerrar,
carretera,
carretera.
When you think you've got it, practice this tongue twister, or trabalenguas. When you think you've got it, practice this tongue twister, or trabalenguas.
Okay. This is interesting. Trabalenguas.
When you think you've got it, practice this tongue twister, or trabalenguas.
Trabalenguas.
R con R, cigarro, R con R, barril. Rápido corren los carros cargados de azúcar al ferrocarril.
Okay. Alright, so this is obviously the tongue twister which he is talking about.
R con R, cigarro, R con R, barril. Rápido corren los carros cargados de azúcar al ferrocarril.
R con R cigarro, R con R barril. Rápido corren los carros cargados de arrugar al ferrocarril.
R con R, cigarro, R con R, barril. Rápido corren los carros cargados de azúcar al ferrocarril.
Let me just try it again. R con R cigarro, R con R barril. Rápido corren los carros cargados de arrugar al ferrocarril. Alright, this is it, folks. Hope you enjoyed today's session. The link to this website is in the description. And see you until the next video. Take care.